Hi, I'm Steve Ashman and welcome back to our mini video series. In this video we're looking at the challenges associated with using multiple software applications to record job information. You know, it's not hard to find a solution that solves the problems of an individual or department with a software app or spreadsheet. The problems really arise when the data collected is needed by the next person or department in the process. This is often where figures are transferred and duplication of effort takes place. For example, a spreadsheet may be the ideal place to hold and calculate costs and profits on a job. However, these costs will need to be transferred to the accounts department to be registered against purchases and used to establish margins on the sales invoice. You know, in reality, the spreadsheet has no attachment to the accounting package and the completed figures need to be re-entered. Information requested from line managers by the management team, or finding a way to track work through the process so that each stage can be assured, are just a couple of reasons why third-party applications are brought into play in a business. The software app or spreadsheet solves the immediate problem but creates an island of data. Now, islands of data can rarely be seen by other departments or directly linked to information, so it is difficult for business owners to have a complete and accurate picture at any point. So, what is the negative effect? When you retype or duplicate entry, time is lost in the process. Accuracy is at risk during duplication. Issues are hard to identify and may prove costly if not detected. Without a complete picture of the business, decisions are not made from sound fact, only partial truth. So, what are smart businesses doing? Thought leaders rely on accurate information to make changes that lead to growth. This information can be found at the heart of EMEA. In this final video of the series, we'll be looking at a software solution adopted by leading electromechanical businesses. If you would like to know more about EMEA software and see further examples of how we help businesses just like yours, email info@solutionsinit.com or sign up for one of our free downloads on our website.